I'm bored. What should I do? Oh, maybe I should take a nap. Or maybe I just play this phone scrolling to my YouTube, TikTok, Instagram for hours. Sister and brother, if you are still doing that, please stop because that is not good for your own. Then you might ask, what to do when I'm bored? I got you. I have one of the best ideas, one of the best answers to that question. But before that, who am I? Well, I'm not an expert, but I am Eudora. I am a star one to be, and I love making creative things and sharing it to the world. That's why I have some of media social to share my ideas. You can see my works here on YouTube, TikTok, and other platforms. You can just scan to the QR and then you can just follow me to those platforms. And then, alright. But before that, Eudora, I'm not familiar with it. I do not know what is even DIY. And what should I do it? Well, DIY is basically do it yourself. So it is an activity when you do something by your own self. Like take an example for this bracelet. I buy this bracelet and it was like ready to use, so I can just use it. But you also can just make it. You can just buy the materials, buy the beads, buy the string, and maybe buy a glue, and then you can take some time, and then you can create your own DIY with your own hand. Isn't that beautiful? But why should I do that, Eudora? Why should I do that when I can just buy it? Well, here are some answers for that. Why you should DIY? Because DIY boosts creativity. It also makes you learn something new. It's also a mindful break from digital world because sometimes you are playing this too much and maybe you need a rest. You do not know what to do. And I know sometimes you are too lazy to do your assignment. That's why DIY is one of the best answers to do that. I mean to fulfill your boredom. And then DIY gives time to bond. So when you do it with your partner, with your loved one, oh my god, you are giving yourself and your partner time to bond. And then DIY gives you the courage to screw things up. So when you do DIY, you do not need to be afraid because you are going to make it. Remember that. And also sometimes you will save money. Who doesn't love save money, huh? Okay, so now I know I have the reasons why I should do DIY. But what kind of DIY should I do? Oh, you need to keep in mind that DIY is for everyone. It doesn't matter how old are you, it doesn't matter who you are, where you come from, it doesn't matter. You can do DIY. Everyone can do DIY. Either you are old, either you are young, either you are a teen, either you are a kid, you can do DIY. And then here I have some ideas of easy and cheap DIYs that everyone can do. First is paper craft. Well, paper is one of the easiest thing that you can find. Like I think everyone has it. A piece of paper like this. You can make a piece of paper into flowers, into a ring. Remember Taylor Swift song? I will marry you. That's right. Okay, so with paper, you can create many things. But yeah, here are some ideas that I've tried and it was so easy. You can just check YouTube or scan the QR code for the tutorial. You can make rose, you can make tulips, you can make those heart ring, or maybe you can make those frog rings. And then, okay, paper. I will try that sometimes. But what else? What else can I do? You can do bead crafts. Beads is beads are one of the easiest thing that you can find literally everywhere. You can find it from online shop platform, or maybe you can find it from the nearest local store. And then with beads, you can try many things, many craft to do. Like you can make rings, but if you're bored with jewelries, you can just make a bag. There are bead bags, and I haven't tried that yet, but it was so beautiful. You can look for that in the internet because it has so many tutorials, like people try that many times. And then you also can make this is a phone strap bead. Yeah, or maybe you can do it with your loved one to make a couple bead rings. And sometimes you can turn something that is unexpected to more unexpected things. Like what, Eudora? Like this. Wait. Like this. Ta-da! Oh. Ta-da! Have you ever think that paper clips can turn into rings? Well, apparently it can, brother and sister. You can turn paper clips into many things. But here I'm giving you some ideas to turn it into these beautiful rings. You can make it for like your couple, or maybe you can have your initial ring. It needs bit anyway. And then you can also make something for your anxiety, and just for your accessories. It can be many things. So here we come to the conclusion that DIY can make you creative and can make something into something. So it doesn't matter what you have, it doesn't matter when you have nothing. If you tell me, oh Eudora, I don't want to make DIY because I don't have anything, bruh, you literally have paper, right? You can turn that into flowers, into other things, and don't say nothing because DIY has no limit. The limit is your laziness. So erase that thing. And then if you try it someday, if you cure your boredom with one of two DIYs that I gave to you, you can just share it to me and tag me. I am on YouTube and TikTok, and also I'm on Instagram, and I'd like to see it. And that's it. I hope it helps you even a little bit, and I will see you guys next time. Bye bye.